shop that is. Next Level Tint Shop in Clinton. This is the guy who tints all my windows and all my cars, all of my celebrity friends. He does everybody's shit. Tell him about your shop. Look at the work. Look at that work. Look at that. Look at that work. You put that work in.
I've been doing it since 1996.
No, he's been doing this for a long time. I mean, for a long time.
I'm one of the originals. 9910 specials. For the, what? Since 1996?
Yeah.
On up. So, I'm always here. Come to me, come check me out. I don't care what you have.
Everybody know Mo.
Yes, sir.
So I came out here today today we're gonna unveil something that I vowed I would never do, never ever gonna do. And I'm gonna do it today. You guys are gonna be incredibly wild about what I'm about to do next. But before that, make sure we need to get your windows tinted. Come by see my man Mo at Next Level Window Tint in Clinton, Maryland. Google it, you can find it. See you, peace. How you doing? It's your boy Bitcoin Riley coming to you guys straight from in front of T-Mobile. So you guys are probably wondering, why am I going to T-Mobile when I already got two great Android phones? This is money to you see. Great Android phones is because I've been getting all these calls about this new chat or this new social media thing called Clubhouse. And I'm being invited by everybody, but I can't get in because I don't have a damn iPhone. And I hate freaking iPhones. I mean, this the double the iPhone. However, but if I want to get on this social media platform and monetize it and get paid from it, I gotta break down and do something I said I would never do and get a damn iPhone. Come on, let's go do it. What's up guys, how you doing? It's your boy Bitcoin Riley coming to you guys once again straight from the basement. And as I just finished telling you guys, this thing called Clubhouse. So when I finally get in, you guys better follow me on Clubhouse. I don't know how it works yet, but everybody is just raving about it. I had to go and not just get one iPhone, I had to get two iPhones. You know, and you guys know I hate iPhones. And I'm only going to use the iPhone specifically for this new social media. Now, why am I going to spend that much money on something I'm only going to use for social media? Because of the branding. I mean, if they got all the celebrities and everybody who's important, who's hot, who's not, who's on Clubhouse, and they say it's going to be bigger than Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and a lot more easier, why not be a part of something that's going to increase, double, and triple your income or your brand? Right? So I said, you know what? As much as you guys hear me talk about how much I hate Apple, I still went out against my vow. I had vowed like the vow of silence of a monk not to ever mess with Apple anything again. I even hate eating apples. You know, I'm just kidding. I love eating apples, love fruit. But so I went out and got me two iPhones. I have no idea how to work it. I'm about to go on YouTube and figure out how to use an iPhone. You know, because it made me sick to my stomach. However, I know some of you Apple people are in some type of cult. You just gotta have iPhones. I don't know why. I mean, you got kids these days can't even spell blue, but got an iPhone. You know, I don't get that part. But anyway, one of the main things I also wanted to talk to you guys about is Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. You guys have been hearing me talk about Bitcoin now for what? Since 2017? And some of you guys still talking about, oh, I don't know what it is. Yeah, I never followed it. And now it's almost what, 23,000 a coin? It was 23,000 a coin earlier. Let me click on that for you. Right there, $22,830, $22,840 a coin. What if you just had 10 coins? What if you had 5 coins? I mean, right now the digital age is going berserk. Have you heard about people saying that they can't even find damn change right now? Just a change shortage. Now that the corona hit, people don't want to even touch money. Is that a coincidence or what? And now Bitcoin's going up and you ain't getting a part of it? What? Man, you got to lose your motherfucking mind. Your motherfucking mind. I'm trying to tell you right now. So listen, stop trying to buy your kids PS5s, expensive ass Jordans, and teach them the difference between an asset in a fucking, what is it? Asset, I almost forgot. That's profit and loss. You know, so let them know the difference between profit and loss, asset and liability. You buy them a PS5, I know to keep them quiet, but what if that kid grows up to make you rich and takes care of your old ass when you get old? Teach them these things now. If you don't know how, find somebody who does know how and have them teach them. You can go to YouTube right now and find almost any damn thing on how to learn how to do it. I mean, I go to here sometimes to YouTube just to learn how to cook sometimes. So you can damn sure learn more about the internet or more about what's gonna make you more of a profitable profit. Just right now, this is the information age. You can use your fingertips and reach 7.7 billion people in the world. 7.7 billion. And you tell me you can't find nobody? Nobody gonna join you when there's 7.7 billion motherfuckers in the world? Get the fuck out of here, that bullshit. Peace out of here.